just started to weed out the amount of people I was taking advice or information from, and just, the least amount of people you learn from, the better, because if you're learning like 10% of things from 100 people, you're not going to go really far.
Yeah, that's
Whereas,
perfect. That's
if you only learn from like Wayne, for example, then you're going to get the results he has, because, you're putting all your effort into one thing. Um,
yeah.
so, yeah, hope that answers the question.
Yeah, yeah, no, very good. Yeah. As long as they're seeing
Absolutely.
results that you're not wasting your time and money, you know. But I mean, one of the good things also with OLSP is you kind of can get ahead quite quickly here. I mean, I was
Yeah.
with some other people that they were busy struggling for, wow, I think even years before they actually started to make a decent income, and
Yeah.
that makes it really difficult, especially with personal relationships and with family and wives and things like that. So
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. And what I guess one thing I'll touch on is like, what's great about it is they give you the link. So like, there's only financial stress when the business has a high cost. Like with my agency, I had to pay for high level, which was like 99 a month. Then I had to pay for ChatGPT upgrade, and then I had to pay for other marketing softwares that I used. And so, you've got those costs. So you need to get results right now. But OLSP, you're paying $7 once. You don't need to pay for a website software until you reach that level where you're making some money and you're willing to invest to grow it even more. So it's just a really easy beginner thing to start, because there's not huge costs up front. There's not huge ongoing costs. So
well, now that
so
you're
it's
with
really
Mega Builder, I
that
think
way.
they give you a free website and you get also email address and everything. You get the
Yeah,
whole package. So
yeah,
it's really
uh,
good.
yeah. It's crazy value. Um, but yeah, I mean, it's been really good to chat with you
Yeah,
there, Joseph, and good to get on a interview of more of the community. I've only been messaging people so far, so it's been good to do some calls and some interviews,
yeah.
which
We're
are
happy to help.
really awesome. Absolutely. But yeah, I'm sure we'll see you around, and for anyone watching this, like, feel free to follow myself and Joseph as well, and we'd be more than happy to help you guys out. Um,
Yeah, 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 definitely. Thank you. So, okay.
Absolutely.
All right. So, thanks everybody, and yeah, see you in OLSP one day. Okay.
Absolutely. Right now.
Yeah.
No.